Okay, I don't know how I survived school either, but look at what I created.
This pattern was 100% inspired by how chaotic my life was in grade school. And let me show you how I turned this messy memory into something cute. Honestly, I kinda just winged this whole thing like no plan. I was drawing the strawberry and suddenly thought, what if it was holding a pencil? It made no sense, but it also made perfect sense, if you know what I mean. Like jam, back to school, something like that. At this moment, it's already 12 midnight and I am watching the series Narcos. I don't know if you watched that, but I was drawing while watching that. And yeah, I feel so tired and I'll try to finish this pattern tomorrow. Alright, so before I get sucked in into another full day of drawing, which honestly makes me so happy, I need to step out and take a breather. And you should do the same thing. This is your sign. I get super busy, but I always remind myself not to neglect my health. Hope you guys do the same thing. Mental and physical health really do matter. I usually go for an hour walk and jog combined, brisk walk, something like that. Canada has the best trails, so I never run out of places to go to. If I'm too busy to drive somewhere, I just walk around the neighborhood as well. And yeah, look at the scene. I also love going to dog parks. They are the best because it's so therapeutic, like seeing a lot of dogs and they're so cute and I can just pop their heads off. You know what I mean? So cute.
Hello. Hello. You're my
All right, so again, good morning, everybody. So we went for a quick walk, showered, and ready to finish this chaotic back to school pattern. Yeah, I just want to share a quick tip that's been saving my time and my sanity lately. One thing I really used to struggle with was figuring out what to do next. Starting from scratch every day, like what should I work on? What should I draw? It used to waste so much of my time and totally kill my motivation. Now I am using Notion and I've been using it for a while now to keep all my tasks in one spot. I just list what I want to do for the week. That's my main goal, then break it down into smaller tasks. It helps me pick up where I left off. If you're struggling with the same thing, I totally recommend trying Notion or any task list app. But yeah, it seriously makes a difference. Okay, this pattern turned out super cute, and let's see the characters up close. This strawberry is just holding a pencil and it's like trying to catch the noisy list right here. Paper who is running away from it. We have the chaotic crayon trio. This is definitely my favorite. They're just living their best lives. And we have the grape jam, freshly spilled. It happens all the time. Strawberry jam, sealed, untouched, and just judging all the drama. This backpack is trying to smuggle a bunch of grapes like no one's gonna notice, and this crumpled homework or paper, and finally this paper plane. Hey, they make a really cute pattern.
Back in grade school in my home country, Philippines, it was pure chaos. Sometimes I'd get home finding a coconut husk inside my backpack. What? And in case you didn't know, we used those to shine the floor back then. I don't know if they still do that right now, but yeah. was always funny finding random stuff inside my backpack. And what's even funnier is that I'll have to explain to my parents how it got there. I definitely didn't want them to think that I was stealing random stuff from our school's special cleaning tools. I didn't know if they believed me, but yeah, I hope they did. My classmates were so sneaky. They loved to put random stuff in everybody's backpack. It was their favorite prank. And I'm pretty sure that you have relatable stories to share too, or even funnier. I'd love to read them in the comment section, and I'm ready to burst into laughter.
So yeah, this is the final pattern, and this pattern can be used to design notebooks. It looks cute on a mug if you want to dedicate it to a teacher you know, or anybody who can relate to it. Your kids. I mean, there are a lot of things you can design with this pattern. So let me know what you guys would design with it. This pattern is up in my shop again. This is a digital pattern, but you can definitely download it if you want to print it out or if you want to use it to design your own products. The products I showed you are just mock-ups or samples for you to see where you can use them. Please don't expect me to ship any physical products.
If you made it this far, thank you so much, and I can't wait to see your stories in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye!